Hello, Internet. So, I got a little ahead of myself when I started to install the lift kit on my Outback here. And I'm going to show you why. It looks great with these 2-inch spacers in it, but yesterday I moved the car and got some nice clunking sounds. So, I took a look underneath and this is what I found. Alright, so I looked at the axle here and I found this actually is a little bit more at an angle than it should be, but not terribly. But when I look at the transmission side, that is no bueno right there. That axle is just about a 45-degree angle. So that's definitely going to cause some issues with the front end. So what I need to do is I need to get a spacer for the lower control arm bracket here. This needs to be a 2-inch spacer here. I need to get up there where the subframe is, I need to get 2-inch spacers for that. And I need to get a spacer for the lower control arm right there, so that it puts the suspension geometry back, and it's got to be done for both sides. And looking at it now, definitely that's why I'm getting the binding. So the other thing I'm possibly going to have to do is install some subframe spacers here. This is the transmission mount, that's the transmission mount, that's the rear transmission mount. And hopefully that it clears the entire exhaust system going all the way back. Probably going to have to put in some spacers between the bearing back there for the drive shaft. But these 05 to 09 Outbacks are definitely a little bit more involved when you start lifting them above 2 inches. So stay tuned, gonna get some parts and I'll do an update video as these parts come in.